In this video, I am going to show you how to upload files to Bluehost or how you can upload your complete HTML or any other website to Bluehost. So let's get started. So at first we need to visit bluehost.com, and after that we need to log into our Bluehost portal. So from the top we are going to click on login button. And now we are going to enter our Bluehost username and password, and after that we are going to click on login. And this will take us to the Bluehost portal. You can also use your FTP account to upload your website or your website files. I think this is one of the most easiest way to upload files and websites. So let's see how we can do it. From the Bluehost dashboard, we are going to click on Advanced. So now we are in the Bluehost cPanel. Now from the cPanel dashboard, we are going to scroll down to File section. So here it is. And after that, we are going to click on File Manager. Now click on public_HTML. If you are already hosting any other website on your Bluehost account, then here you will see all the website files. But if you are not hosting any website on your Bluehost account, then it will be empty. As WordPress is already installed on my main domain, so I am going to create a new folder and upload my files there. But the uploading procedure will be same. So from the top I am going to click on this folder icon, and after that I am going to give it a name. And then I will click on create new folder. And as you can see that our folder is now created. So I am going to double click on it. So now we are in the website folder. And here we are going to upload our website files. Now to upload our website files, from the top we are going to click on upload button. And after that we are going to click on select file. And now we are going to select the file from our computer. And after that we are going to click on open. And as you can see that our file is now uploading. Once the file is uploaded, just click on this go back button. And here is the file that we have just uploaded. So I am going to select it, and after that right click on it and then click on extract. Now click on extract files again. Now click on close, and after that from the top just click on reload. And as you can see that our website is now extracted. Now if I visit my domain, and here you will see the website that we have just uploaded to our web hosting. So this is how you can upload files or complete HTML website to Bluehost. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.